Hey YouTube, hope you're good. Another little product review. What I've got here is a little seat. I got this one off eBay. It was 24 quid, and it's just for me to use in the workshop. It's pneumatic, as you can see there, and there's a place in there. It's got wheels. There's a place in the bottom there to store your tools while you're working on your bike. As you can see, we've got a part work stand. This is great to sit on and tinker with your gears or whatever. Saves you bending over. It rolls around quite nicely, even on the carpet here. Mild steel base with some okayish casters on, actually. These are plastic. Thought they were going to be rubber, but they're plastic. Typical sort of Chinese engineering, but I'll be honest with you, the upholstery isn't the best in the world, but it's more than fit for purpose. I've been looking for one of these for a while. Saw this on eBay, undenied. This particular one, when you're perusing and looking, scrolling through eBay, you tend to see the same thing from different sellers at different prices. I actually saw this particular one for 50 quid, and it was exactly the same, but I think I paid 24, 25 quid. UK seller. There was some cheaper ones, but they were coming from far away places. When I order something, or I've got it in my head that I want to buy something, I always tend to express it and want it the next day, to be honest. So I don't tend to buy from places that are 8 weeks away, but this for 24 quid, can't fault it. Brilliant little tool, makes your life a lot easier.